The BlindFish heavy-duty truck scanner is a simple, yet powerful diagnostic tool that bridges the gaps between you and your truck. This tutorial will teach you how to transfer files from a disk that you received in the package, to a tablet and computer. We will also look at how to install the software. First of all, compare the serial numbers on the disk and adapter. If they are different, please contact us immediately. The next step is to insert the disk into a DVD drive and connect the tablet or smartphone to the computer's USB port. The computer will show you the disk contents as well as the tablet's internal storage. You can see that there are 2 folders on the disk. Copy these folders and paste them to the internal storage of your tablet. Also, you will need to copy the folder with the service manuals to your computer, because unfortunately, not all files are Android-friendly and can be opened only through a Windows browser. The next step is to install all software on the tablet. Start the file manager and then open the internal storage in BlindFish Staff. The sequence of installing applications doesn't matter. Tap the BlindFish widget application and the installation process will be started immediately. If installation is blocked by Android security service, go settings and allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Press install, and you're done. Repeat the installation process the rest of the applications. Close the file manager and transfer the BlindFish widget onto the main screen. The connection between devices is Wi-Fi based, and if the tablet's Wi-Fi is off, go into the tablet's settings and turn it on. Now, the BlindFish tool is completely set and ready for service. The next tutorial will show you how to make a connection to the truck.